How to play the coconut thumb piano. This one is already pre-tuned to C major and it's ready to play. You want to place your fingers on the back of the instrument, on the coconut shell, and then your thumbs are going to be in position to play. If you have nails, you can use those to pluck the notes. If not, playing with your thumb is fine. Before we play, it's important to know what the notes are tuned to. This one here should be tuned to C, then D, then E, then F, G, A, and B. So these notes form one octave. If we play a basic song, we're going to play Frère Jacques. We're going to play C, D, E, C, C, D, E, C, and it sounds like this. Then the next notes are going to be E, F, G, E, F, G. Then the next part is G, A, G, F, E, C, G, A, G, F, E, C. Then the final part is C, G, C, C, G, C. Now let's try the whole song all the way through. That's just one song you can play on the coconut thumb piano. If you want a large collection of 80 songs, you should download our ebook, the Kalimba Songbook. I'll put a link in the description.